Hello students, in this class we are going to learn Euclid's division lemma in our first chapter of mathematics, real numbers. So students, first of all let us know what is a lemma. A lemma is a proved statement that is used to prove another statements. And what is Euclid's division lemma? Euclid's division lemma is basically a method that is used to find the HCF of two or more numbers. So let us first of all know what is the statement of Euclid's division lemma. So Euclid's division lemma states that for any two given positive integers a and b, we have whole numbers p and q such that a is equal to bq plus b p plus q, where a is known as dividend, b is known as divisor, p is quotient, q is remainder. So students, this method in which you express one number as express one number in terms of other numbers is used to find the HCF between the numbers. Sometimes Euclid's division lemma is also known as Euclid's algorithm because it involves some series of steps. Euclid's division lemma में बच्चों दो नंबर्स के बीच या उससे ज़्यादा नंबरों के बीच HCF जो होता है उनका वो फाइंड करने के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है. एंड इस यूक्लिड्स डिवीज़न लेमा को हम लोग यूक्लिड्स एल्गोरिथम के नाम से भी जानते हैं बिकॉज एल्गोरिथम बेसिकली ए सीरीज ऑफ स्टेप्स को बोला जाता है. सिंस दिस मैथड इन्वॉल्व्स ए सीरीज ऑफ स्टेप्स, सो दिस इज ऑल्सो नोन एज यूक्लिड्स एल्गोरिथम. सो लेट अस try to know how do you use Euclid's division lemma in finding the HCF between two numbers. So there I have put an example here. Find HCF of the two numbers 144 and 198 using Euclid's division lemma or Euclid's algorithm. So let us see how do you find Euclid's the HCF between the two numbers using this Euclid's division lemma. To begin with, start हम इस तरीके से करेंगे कि हम इन दोनों में से we are given two numbers 144 and 198. So students, what you do, इन दोनों में से जो बड़ा नंबर होता है उसे ही छोटे नंबर की टर्म्स में एक्सप्रेस किया जाता है और बड़े नंबर को आप इधर लेंगे एंड 144 मल्टीपल टाइम्स इसके टेबल में इतने मल्टीपल्स आप इसके निकालेंगे सो दैट इट आइदर बिकम्स 198 और लेसर देन दिस 198. So it goes one time 144 into 1 plus this becomes your what is left 198 minus 144. So it is your 198 144 4 it is here and it is your 54. So it is 54 is the remainder. Now again what do you do? Take this number here 144 and express this number in terms of this remainder. So it is your 54 multiplied by 3 times. I think it goes 2 times only, right? So it is your 108. So 144 and this is your 54 into 2 108. So 108 154 minus 108 becomes your 36. Now again use this number here 54 and obtain the multiples of this remainder. 36 multiplied by 1 plus it is again 18. Now again use this number here 36 and how many multiples of this? 18 into 2 it becomes 36, remainder becomes 0. For this number your remainder becomes 0. So what is the HCF of the two number? It is 18. 18 is the HCF of the two numbers and this method is repeated. These steps are repeated in this manner till you get the remainder to be 0 so that you obtain finally the HCF of the two number. So students, I think this method is quite simple and you must have learned how to find the HCF between the two or more numbers using Euclid's division lemma method. And now I am giving you one or two problems. Try to solve the problems on your own, and these are very simple problems. So write down one problem, find the HCF using Euclid's division method between the numbers 73 and 34. I again repeat, 73 and 34.